Oh, it's a heavy one. Oh, give me 5. Okay, buddy.
But I want it.
Oh, you're gonna put minnows in there? Yep, look, come here. All right, we're back. Evie and I are gonna do some paddleboard walleye fishing. If you haven't seen the previous episode, we did that with Jerome. I caught a giant. It's totally worth watching. If you haven't seen the previous episode before that, I went fly fishing on the stand-up paddleboard for walleye. So we're doing some unique stuff here. It's hard, it's fun. We don't have a depth finder. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We're in South Dakota, fishing basically a kayak-only lake. There's no boat access here. That's part of what makes it great because there's no fishing pressure. All right, let's get on the water, catch some walleyes.
Minnows.
And minnows.
Try not to cut the bottle.
I will. I'm an expert at cutting trash. Okay, there you go. You hold that carefully. Stand up a little bit and hold on to your hold-on spot. Okay, you can sit back down. Let me get us a minnow for you.
A live one.
Yep, of course. Let's put the minnow in there.
You got alive?
What do you think? Does it look alive to you?
Yeah.
Well, then that's what we want, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's leave those right there. All right, and you just sit here nice and carefully now. And let's go out fishing, huh?
With one minnow.
Yeah, with lots of minnows. Just one in a little jar and lots of other ones, huh?
In a tank.
Mm-hmm. In our fish bucket. Gotta sit nice and still today, okay? This is a tricky one. It's gonna be fun, but we gotta sit still.
What can I hold on?
This thing. And this thing. Mostly this thing. See that thing?
Mm-hmm.
You got it? You're okay now? All better and stuff? Good enough?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Got lots of water was coming out.
You want to get the shoes off?
No.
Okay. Sometimes you need your shoes off.
Otherwise they will float into the water.
Mm-hmm.
But these shoes sink.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless they're on my feet, they don't sink.
Mm-hmm.
This is a good spot, and I agree.
Mm-hmm. Put a minnow on for you and stuff. That sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, put about a minnow for us.
I don't want to kill this minnow.
Yeah, we'll just leave that one in there. That's your friend, huh? Okay, put that one down by your feet down there so it doesn't fall out of the boat. Okay, nice and gentle now. We don't want to flip over.
On the measure board.
Good. On the ruler.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now don't fall out now, okay? And don't flip this over. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You ready to do a little fishing?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go. Let me just toss it out there for you. Okay?
I see it.
And don't drop the rod, okay?
Okay.
Don't drop that rod, I'm gonna have to swim for it today. That's not gonna be fun for Dad. You know that.
Or a fish can get it and swim over to us and get it to us.
Mm-hmm. And reel it up a little bit. Reel just a little bit. And then jig it a little bit. And then reel it a little bit. And jig it a little bit. Does that make sense?
I don't have a fish on. I stick my foot in the
Oh,
water.
I got a bite even. You want to reel him?
Mm-mm.
Here, reel this fish in. It's a walleye.
I don't want to.
Oh, okay, watch me reel him, okay? Watch me. Here he comes on this side. He's over here. Watch this side. He's a big one. Watch, right here. Here he comes. Look at that, Evie. You see him down the water?
Yeah.
It's a walleye.
Wow.
That's a walleye, buddy.
I did it. I see it.
It's a keeper. Yeah, buddy. Keeper walleye. Evie. Wow. Is that a pretty one or what? Oh, this one.
Stomach.
That's a really pretty walleye.
That's white.
Nice 15-incher. Good way to start.
It's white.
It's white, yeah.
Let's keep it. Keep it. Keep it.
I'm gonna keep it. That's a keeper. Just want to get a video of it and show the camera. That's 15-incher with Evie on the foot pedal board. First walleye of the day. Second spot. It's been working hard for him, right, Evie?
I only want to reel the pulses in.
The purchase? I don't know which one's the purchase. You know what I mean? Can't tell until I reel it up. And then it's already reeled in, you know? Look, I'm gonna put him on my clip. 'Cause it's a keeper. Watch. Just clipped in there.
Oh, that's so cool.
See that? See the teeth? Oh, now look, there's a little bob right there and he gets to swim around and have fun. Now he gets to stay there until we're ready to eat him. Bumby, give me 5. We got our first walleye. Fun, huh, buddy?
Yeah, he's trying to get off.
That's okay. He can swim around. It's part of the fun. He gets to swim around there. Well, we catch some more, huh?
He's under the boat.
It's okay. He can get in the boat if he wants. Let's catch some more fish, okay? We got a walleye, bud. You want to catch the next one now?
Mm-hmm.
Good. That's what I like to hear. Get you. Let's get you catching fish, huh? There's a walleye, Bumby. There's a walleye. You want to reel him? Why don't you reel this one, okay?
Okay.
Reel him up. Oh, that's heavy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, look at how heavy he is, Evie. This is a whopper. Just lift. Reel him. Keep reeling. Whoa, it's a heavy one. Whoa. Keep reeling. You're doing a good job. What? It's a huge one, Evie. It's huge. You keep reeling. Oh, it's a big pike, Evie. Let Dad get him. Let Dad get him off. He's got teeth. Whoa! Give me 5. That was a huge fish. Huge, huge fish, huh? Did you have fun with that?
Yeah.
You didn't even wreck the line, buddy. Eves, that was a whopper. Should we try a new spot?
Yeah.
That was fun, huh? I think that pike was scaring all the walleyes away. What do you think? Is he so big?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Wow, that was scary, huh? A lot of teeth on that one. Here, step off of this. I'm gonna change my batteries for a minute. Evie, you did a good job. Wasn't he strong?
Yeah.
Did you feel how strong that one was? He was a fighter.
Fish do eat minnows.
Mm-hmm.
Fish do eat fish. Fish do eat.
All right, easy, there's a fish. Threw my anchor in because I got a bite. What we got here? Oh, it's a pike.
Oh.
Oh, he's a jumper, Evie. He's an angry one. All right, Evie's. Got him.
Good. You didn't slip off.
He didn't break off.
Yeah.
Break my line too much, maybe. Let's find out.
Didn't slip off.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he's really hooked here.
I keep him.
There we go. See that, Evie? Can I touch him? Right. That'll do it for us today. We lost a really big pike at the boat. We got this little guy, 18-incher. Got a nice keeper walleye. Evie had fun, right, Evie? You have fun? Should we let him go?
No.
No, I'm not gonna keep him, but we'll let him go. Here he goes. You ready? Watch him. He's gonna go fast once he realizes where he's at. Woo! I knew he was gonna go. All right. So that about does it. It's really slow. It's a slow morning. With a 3-year-old fishing here with me, I can't have a slow morning because Evie needs lots of action. We're not getting it. So let's bounce out of here.